we'll guide you through how to use ClickUp for marketing. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice, and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. Click New Space to start the setup process for a marketing space. Enter a name for your space and choose a name that clearly represents your marketing team or project. After entering the space name, click Continue to proceed with the setup. On the next screen, select Marketing Teams to define your workflow and apply a space configuration designed for marketing activities and project management. After selecting the workflow type, click Create Space to complete the setup. You have now successfully created a marketing space, and you can immediately begin creating tasks in the list view from scratch based on your own workflow and project requirements. If you prefer to start with a ready-made workspace instead of building everything manually, click the plus icon in the Space section and select Use Template to open the template library. In the search bar, type Marketing to quickly locate the available marketing templates. Choose the marketing template that best matches your workflow requirements. After selecting the template, click Use Template to continue. Enter a name for your new space and choose a name that clearly identifies your marketing workspace. Once the name has been entered, click Use Template again to create the space using the selected template. You have now successfully created a marketing space using a template. You can begin working immediately and customize the template by using the available lists and folders, such as Strategic Marketing Plan, Campaigns and Promotions, Content Management, and other sections according to your needs. You can also modify the existing structure, create additional tasks, and organize your marketing projects to better match your team's workflow and planning requirements.